Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable diagnosing slow charging with EV charger wattage logs step by step clearly. To enable diagnosing slow charging with EV charger wattage logs, first, check your EV charger's compatibility. Ensure that your charger supports wattage logging features. Consult the user manual or the manufacturer's website for details. Next, locate the settings menu on your charger. Using the display screen or mobile app, access the charging settings. Look for an option labeled wattage logs for charging data. Select this option to enable logging. Make sure to save any changes before exiting the menu. Now, connect your EV to the charger as you normally would. Observe the display screen or app for real-time wattage readings. Allow the vehicle to charge until it reaches the desired level. After charging, navigate back to the wattage logs in the settings. Review the logged data for insights on charging performance. Identify patterns that may indicate why charging is slow. Consider external factors, such as temperature and power source. If issues persist, consult your charger's support team for further assistance. Document any changes you make and their effects on charging speed. This information will be valuable for troubleshooting. Regular monitoring will help optimize your EV charging experience. Remember to periodically check for software updates that may enhance logging features. Stay informed on best practices for maintaining your EV charger. By following these steps, you can effectively diagnose and address slow charging issues. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.